So I've been making a lot of videos about the Verychat project, and I just realized that a lot of people in the community are not mining this particular project. And if you are not mining, you are not doing yourself any favor in this space, because you are actually losing a lot of opportunities. You are actually wasting opportunities that can actually make you earn a lot of money from this project even before it lists. We are in the mining phase, and a lot of people are already selling the tokens and then booking out massive amount of profit. But some of you are not, because you feel like everything is a scam, or probably you are discouraged, probably you don't feel like participating. I've been talking about it in a lot of my videos. And if you look right here, yesterday I made this particular post on my Telegram channel, and I said, I'm putting this here to encourage you, take your very seriously. And then you can see that there is an attached screenshot right here. So this screenshot is some tokens I sold out yesterday. I sent to someone, and you can see that this is the value of it right here, 20,000 very, and it went successfully. And I sent to a particular address, and actually this is the payment right here. I wrote there, that's the value in naira. Naira is my currency. I don't know how much it might be worth in your country, but in dollars this should be close to $100. This should be close to $100 for about 20,000 very. So, and the price of one is I sold the price at I sold one at 5.2, that's 5 naira 2 kobo thereabout. So if you multiply that by what you have, you're going to know the value of what you have, for those of you that are mining. But for those of you that are not mining, the link is in the comment section or in the description section. Now if you cannot see it, probably because this video is a short, what I would suggest is go to the description section of any video on my channel. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Just join, then come there, comment that you want to start mining very, and I'm going to give you the link there, and also be guiding you on everything that you need to know. So it is still at its early stage, and it's already being sold. So if you are taking it serious, you'll be booking out profit, you'll be mining, grabbing a lot at this stage, because as days go by, the mining will be hived. So it will be entering the hiving mechanism, where it will take you a lot before you'll be able to mine at least 1, 2. So it's better you grab the opportunity now and be mining as much as you can. So that's it. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please make sure that you hit the subscription button, because we keep giving opportunities in this channel. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.